Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello, what's up guys? Meet with me again in new CNC channel. Okay, in the last video about our MP3 player project in Visual Basic, we has been code for button next and back for play audio files. And today, I will show or we will code the button for volume. In this method, we use to method for configuring volume. First is from the Windows Media Player, and the second volume is for our general volume on computer or on Windows. Okay, let's do that. I will open our last project, MP3 player. Okay, before we configuring or to code this three button, we will add one item called TrackBar. The TrackBar function is we use to configure the volume of the application it's bring by Windows Media Player, and for this three button it's for configure our computer system volume it's bring by Microsoft Windows. Now let's adding TrackBar here. I'm sorry, where is TrackBar? Let's add TrackBar, that is guys, and you can suitable the long of this TrackBar. I will change the style for tick style bottom right. I will choose top left here, so the TrackBar is like this now. And then I will also change the value guys. um I will not show now because this is for you later to clear what the function of this. Okay, now let's go try the volume up. Okay, before we go or we decide to code, let's adding runtime interrupt services here because we need to using DLL import. So I need to import system interrupt services like this. Okay, now back to volume up, double click here and then go to here. I will make private for cons apb command for volume. Sorry guys, this is directly volume mode like this, integer, and in here for n h8 here. Sorry, I'm using h. And the second I will also using for volume up, but I will copy paste for fast here. Okay, this is not mood, but this is up, this is down, and this is for cons. I will use for Windows Media Player command. Okay, I need to change The value is HA here. Okay guys, this is for variable. And below of variable, I will using DLL import. If you can using like this, because this is guys, if I del this, you can see here, if I del this, okay, you have a problem. But in Microsoft Visual Studio 2017, you can just hover on here. Now go to show potential fixes, and you can import system this, and you will see, okay, this is back again. Now I'm gonna next code for, sorry guys, like this, and then that is guys, sorry, okay, public shared for function send message v, this is for by val, to hv and d as interpreter, or I will use interptr here for by val, not by ref, by val for integer, and then for by val for vparam, and the last for by val lparams as interpreter, and out of the brackets I will using also as interpret like this. Okay, after that I will code this bt volume up. I just can do send message, okay, send messages we the related to here guys, send messages w, I'm sorry, we with w, me dot handle mfp command, and me dot handle, okay, new for interpreter, this is for app volume, because that is button up, then we choose button up here, and for down or for button mute we can copy here like this, choose this, and then click in here, you can just paste here and change to mute here, we comment button mute, and double click also on volume down, no end message but send message here, and you can change this to app command volume down here. Okay, now for our okay guys, I'm not too far away from now. I will play first to check that this button is work or not, and I will show the different track bar with this three button later. Okay, I will play one of display or audio. You can see if I click volume up, you can see here guys, you can see okay, okay. If I volume down, volume down, and if I just move, you can see this is also this is Windows volume generally. So for this application, we can also configure the or adjust the volume of Windows Media Player in this case. Now select your trackbar, and first I want to change the name so we don't confuse with if in some time we need to add another trackbar. Let's try to change the name, for example, Mighty Air Volume here, and then go to the event here and choose scroll. Okay, choose scroll events and double click, and you can see if I change to me.ax Windows Media Player 1 setting volume, it's more easy or easier than configure the Windows volume. MyTR volume value. Okay guys, I will show what the function of this value. Let's put it again. I will play this audio again. The volume up. You can see guys. But if I just like this, you can see this is for adjust volume. But why is the volume is very low? Because we don't set the default value for our trackbar. You can change the maximum value because the default of this trackbar maximum value is 10. Let's change to 100. Okay, this is the most important in here, and change to 100 like this for I'm sorry like this. Okay, my TR volume for maximum value is 100. So you can see the graphic is different with before. Let's play again. I will play this. You can see is not change the Windows volume, but change the Windows application. Okay, this is change the application volume, not Windows, but for this three button is for Windows configure. Okay, you can see. but the chance is okay, guys. I'm very happy here. We have for this tutorial MP3 Play project. Okay, I think for volume is done for today, and in the next video in part 6 we will try to code uh, more here for repeat or for what I will choose later. And this is just for tips, guys. You can also change the orientation here. If you don't like the horizontal, you can see like this. Okay, if you need to design fit with your design, you can just bring like this, for example, and then put in different style for you. Okay, for the last, before I close this video, I will remember you, if you can download, or sorry, download all codes in http www.news.co.id/web/vb. Okay, I'm using https here. You can download in this website for our project. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get new updates about our project here. Bye bye.